Don't feel like you have to completely disinfect your house from top to bottom every day. There's areas in our homes that we touch more often and that you want to pay a little bit more attention to right now. Those areas are desks, the tables that you eat at, doorknobs, light switches, your phone. Clean your phone. We're putting it on our faces constantly. We're taking it with us when we're out and about, running errands that are essential right now. Make sure that you are constantly wiping down your phone before putting it to your face, especially if you go in an area that can contaminate it. The second thing that people forget about often is when we walk out and do errands, we're walking out with our shoes on. And a lot of times we come back in our homes, we wash our hands, but don't take our shoes off. So the best thing I can recommend is start a new routine. When you get home, take your shoes off at the door, put any items that you may need to disinfect, maybe outside the door, go straight to the sink, wash your hands, and just be aware of those items that you may touch in between.